All right, in this module, we talk about the current. So it's an electrical quantity indicated by letter I, and it is equal to the rate of change of electric charge, that is Q, with respect to time. So let's say you have a piece of conductor as shown over in this picture, and there are electric charges that is flowing through this piece of conductor from one end to another. So the rate at which this electric charges flow with respect to time is nothing but your current, and the unit of the current is ampere. So there are two types of current. It can be a direct current or alternating current. So here in this picture, you see there is a current source I, which is connected across, a load is connected across its two terminals. The load is resistance R. And because of that, this current will flow in the direction shown, and the voltage difference will be developed across the two resistive terminals. And that voltage would be I times R. So a sinusoidal current source can be seen like this. You have I, and the DC current source can be seen like this. So you have like this current source is can be shown like you show the polarity, and the current source can be shown. So here the current small letter u sometimes can be used to indicate the current. Sometimes you use the small letter I and this kind of symbols to indicate the current. So that was all about the current.